Good afternoon, Facebook Live viewers. I'm here with my beautiful aesthetic nurse, Stephanie, and our patient, Desiree. And what I want to demonstrate is she went somewhere else, had abdominoplasty with liposuction. This is not our work. This is how she was when she presented to us in March. So that was about 4 or 5 months ago. So then we were able to fix all of this just through this little bikini line incision, get her smooth, smooth, smooth from there to here. And so the point is, this was sort of one of these franchise chain plastic surgical places where the patient doesn't really know who. It's not expensive. The patient doesn't really know who is going to operate on them. And of course, this was the result. But maybe Desiree wants to explain her experience here at Utopia Plastic Surgery, now that we've taken her from here to here.
Yeah, it's amazing. I'm mind blown. I hadn't seen that picture yet. And just from here, I can totally tell the difference. I love my body and my clothes now, so that's a big plus. And I actually, Dr. Rose, I paid the same amount I paid you for that work.
That's terrible. Usually these places are a little bit, you know, they're sort of discount operators a little bit. But I don't know if that means we're not charging enough.
No.
And now Desiree, we're talking to her about a little more work up top here, and she's very kind to share her afternoon experiences with us.
Yeah.